Okay, we're back where we were an hour ago. Okay, so now I gotta slide everything back about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Get the shock bolts back there, slide everything back and put the pivot bolt in. Okay, shouldn't be any problems now, right? All downhill. Yeah, we'll see. I'm sure something else will crop up that's gonna be a pain in the butt. Usually does. So, I don't know if you got a good view there or not. Who knows? We'll go with that view. Okay, let's get the shock bolts in first. Okay, let's slide this back a little bit. Yeah, it looks pretty close to where it needs to be. And that, this needs to go back more though. Pinch the fingers. Okay, figure we're still in there where it belongs. Looks like we got it lined up pretty closely to what we needed. Basically right down the center is about where we're at. Okay, it all looks good. Okay, this brake line goes on the outside, so I'm going to put that up on top where it belongs. Put the axle in the hole if we need to hold it. Get this thing up out of the way. Flop it around a little bit. No, it's not. Okay, that can go there. Chrome there. Clip goes on the outside, so that should all be good. That goes over there, out of the way. These going up on top, so they should go right there. That should be okay. I think that's all the wiring that was in the way. See, I shoved this up here to get out of the way, so it goes over here like that, I guess. Actually, I got up in the battery. What is it doing here? Where's that going to starter? I think that goes in the starter. Okay. I think everything's where it belongs. Nothing's getting pinched. Except right there. Alright, let's try to put this together. Okay, we got a space that goes in here. Yeah. Just like that. Go on the outside. Slick as crap right in there like it's supposed to. That's why I preset the bearings so they're lined up with each other. Goes in there like that. Cupped washer with a cup to the inside. Goes in up. Yeah, right. This goes in first. Titty should be up, I think. Titty goes up. Like that. Okay, that goes forward. Alright. Why is that not fitting in there? Guess that's supposed to be in first, I'm guessing. Let's drop down behind the frame. Okay, that's going to be interesting to do. How are you going to do that? Yeah, there's probably enough room to do it. Just got to lift up the tranny to do it. Like that. Probably sits above the frame when it's installed correctly. We just don't have it installed correctly. Okay, washer goes in, lock washer goes in, then the nut goes in. Shove the side swell out to get some more room. At the right size. Get this in here. Okay. Put that up in here where it belongs. Alright. Alright, so we got that started, it's in there. Okay, the titty is not square. So we have to engage the titty and then rotate that. This just needs to sit on this side like 1 o'clock position in order for this to work correctly. And then we should be able to start that one and then go on the other side and do the other side. Simple, right? Lift up the tranny by hand to get the weight off of it. Gauges like that. It's lined up to me. Just went until it touched, no further. Okay. It's right there. Okay, that is not where it belongs. It needs to rotate. It needs to slide toward me is what it needs to do. Okay, when we put the other side on there, it should slide over. Okay, that brake line is fine. Right now everything's shoved that direction right now, so if I just do that, that put me in a groove where it belonged. Yeah, we get the nut over there. Okay, now I just duplicate the same on the other side. I should have it assembled. Maybe. Might have to back off the torque over there a little bit to get this one in. So this needs to go in there like this. This one angles forward to here. So this will be at the 11 o'clock position. Okay. Stays in there where it belongs. I want to sit there nice. Not fighting it like that. Cup spacer goes in. Lock washer. And the nut. Titties up there. Rotating everything right now. Okay. So it has to line up with that titty right there. Right there is pretty damn close. I'll rotate just a little bit further. Okay, we're started. Okay, looks like we're on this side. Okay, we're all engaged here. We have another 1/8 of an inch more to go. Let's go check the other side, make sure everything's going like it's supposed to. Everything's being pinched. The rubber is in there hard now. All looks good. No wires are in the way. Nothing's bound up on the back side we can't see. Nope, everything's nice and free. Okay, should just pull it right together. Torque on it now. Okay, and that's good again. Okay. We'll bring out the official torque wrench here. Make sure we're doing it correct. Factory torque. When the bolt quits moving, go a little extra. That's a little extra, see? Another 1/8 of a turn past stopping. How's that? That's factory torque for me, anyway. Okay, she's torqued. Okay, so now we just got to torque the center bolt. These ones here are tight. Everything's in there where it belongs on both sides. Should be good. Transmission goes up and down freely. Yeah, I got the shocks on here, but the swing arm should be good. Okay. So what we need now is torque this bolt in here. Right now it's turned on the other side, so I have to do a double deal here. So I'm gonna go get my zip gun. I need this should be 11/16, I think is what that is. Go grab one of his sockets. 11/16. Like this here, I'm thinking. A lot of metric here though. It's all metric. Let's see, I saw some stuff over here. Ah, deep wells. Probably that one. Why is this metric again? Why is all they got is metric? Oh, what the hell was that? Mouse trap. Yeah, I don't see a bunch of M's on it, so it must be the right one. Wrong size though, must be 5/8. There we go. Okay, so we got that. I'm going to use my zip gun to torque it with because it puts out a lot of torque. It's easy to control. And beats me trying to manhandle it. So I'm going to do a little bit on both sides because remember I had to squeeze those bearings further apart, so now it's going to squeeze them back together. Some air. Got all the new airline fittings on now. Works now. Okay. wax on this side. Switch sides, go on the other side, do the same thing, and then come back and do it again. Okay, let's see if the swing arm goes up and down like it's supposed to. Assuming I got drag, I don't know how much. What about no movement drag? That's not a good drag. Is it supposed to move? It's not moving. Why is it not moving? Should go up. Why is it not going up? That I do not know. The shocks out of the way. I got access to the swing arm. There it goes. There goes another clip. That's what you call striction in your suspension system. Wonder why it doesn't work very well. Harley suck on suspension. There, that's how they move. It's about 30 pounds of pressure there to make it go up and down. That's those road bumps in the road. You have to overcome that before it moves. That's why it runs real rough. And there's another piece of plastic clip we just destroyed. I think that was the last one, I think. Like 5 of those now we broke. Okay, so it goes up and down. It's pretty slick. I can adjust the motor right here by pulling the swing arm up and down. Yeah, I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. Oh, that is great engineering from Harley. Look, that's wonderful. They couldn't have come any better if they designed it, right? Okay, well, it is what it is. It's a Harley. Don't expect much. Okay, I need to get the wheel up in here. I think I'm going to leave the shocks out of here for now. Be easier to get the wheel in it. All right, let me clean up. I'll be right back.